Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the infinity filter on TikTok. Another name for this filter is the force field filter. It's a very popular filter on TikTok right now. So to get it, you just want to head over to TikTok and just go over here to your Discover tab. And you just want to go to the top search bar and just search for infinity space filter. Once you do that, you just want to go over to videos, and these videos should be a bunch of videos that have the filter on it. So if you just go ahead and click on any video, you'll see right above the person's name, it says force field there. If I scroll down, same thing right there. Okay. And same thing right here. You guys will see the force field icon right above the person's username. So to add it, you just want to click on it and then click on add to favorites. And then this will be in your favorite TikTok filters when you go make a new video. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.